Guangdong Shunde ISGO Technology Company, Limited is located in Shunde, China's manufacturing base. It is a comprehensive technology company specializing in the manufacture, development, production, and sales of environmentally friendly printing consumables and providing integrated solutions for curve printing. The company has 13 years of experience in technology management, has experienced industry technical developers, is proficient in the development and design of machinery manufacturing, has a rigorous and standardized product development process, the introduction of domestic and foreign technology in production equipment, environmental protection, energy saving, digital as a guide, successfully customized and developed a variety of high-performance, personalized printing machinery equipment for customers. Guangdong Shunde ISGO Technology Company, Limited integrity, strength and product quality has been recognized by the industry. ISGO has achieved strategic cooperation with a number of internationally renowned brands to explore and develop special-purpose new environmentally friendly printing materials such as UV inks, LED inks, nano inks and blankets. The best combination of professionalism can maximize the quality of printed materials and ensure the excellent quality of the products. ISGO can determine the essence of the printing problem through physical or on-site live. The senior professional technicians provide systematic use and maintenance technical training, color matching technical guidance, big data establishment guidance, and create a group of professional technical talents for the enterprise. Establish a sound operating standard to protect high-quality prints. With 13 years of production and sales experience, we are committed to providing a full range of services to our customers around the world. Providing timely and effective after-sales service, a responsible work attitude, and a stable delivery date on time. ISGO will combine the company's own interests, consumer interests and environmental protection interests, taking environmental protection as the guiding ideology of management, taking green culture as the value concept, taking consumers' green consumption as the center and starting point, trying to be as human as possible, coordinate with the environment and create an environment-friendly enterprise. Become an integrated supplier in the printing industry and push the printing industry into the era of green environmental protection.